This is Kellen with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. I am up here in an attic, as you can see, checking out exhaust ducts. So this is the duct for a fan coming from a bathroom here. As you can see, they got the duct hooked up, so when the fan blows, it's just going to be blowing any moisture from showers, which is the biggest deal with these, because once you get moisture blown up here, you start getting that black staining on the plywood, which can lead to mold. So you always want these vents from the shower fan to go all the way up and out. We see this all the time where they're just kind of pointed at an area, or they're just completely blowing up into the attic from the actual fan itself. So super common, but always a good idea to vent these all the way out up through the roof.